Dreaming of luxury living in Southwest Florida? I'm Sean Tanner, your real estate pro, unlocking Gulffront mansions and lavish estates. Let's grab your slice of paradise today.
Bayfront residence with panoramic views on Sanibel Island, offered for the first time since its construction by the esteemed Wolter Group. This exceptional bayfront estate has been cherished by one family for more than 30 years. Positioned east of the causeway for effortless access on and off the island, the home is just a block from the shops and dining of the East End village. Unparalleled bay views stretch across the horizon, enhanced by a natural beach shoreline. The expansive sunroom, designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living, features a wall of windows that wrap around the adjacent wall, creating a panoramic waterfront experience. The open-concept kitchen is thoughtfully designed with a prep island, wraparound bar seating, solid wood cabinetry, granite countertops, a wine refrigerator, double ovens, and a stainless steel French door refrigerator. A gas fireplace anchors the main living space, adding warmth and charm. A 3-story elevator provides easy access to all levels, while the ground floor, the bayfront pool, complete with a swim-up table, invites relaxation while taking in sweeping waterfront vistas. This meticulously maintained home presents a rare opportunity to own a legacy property in one of Sanibel's sought-after locations.